when I grow up, I'm gonna build a community that, well, it's not a community. I'm like gonna have my own hotel. I'm gonna have people there, and I'm gonna invite them in. They don't have to pay to do it. It's like they can come into arms when they need it. We give them whatever they need. We even make their clean beds. We give them food, yummy food that, well, they tell us what they want and then we make it. But we don't want to pay for it. The people can offer, like, say, since you've been so sweet, like when I need arms around me, you can come and hug me and say, are you okay, and help me. Here's a gift of money for you. But we don't say you gotta pay us. We say you don't have to pay us, just if you want to. Since we've been so sweet to you, you can. I don't want to be out of my head. I want to be out of here. 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 Connected down to my toes.